Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about over trading, and I have 5 reasons for you that you may be over trading, and this is something that most traders struggle with, especially at the very beginning. So before I get into the 5 reasons, I want to break down over trading in 2 categories. The first category is over trading or placing trades that meet your criteria, and this example could be that 10 trades trigger your criteria and you take all 10 trades. Once you get a little bit more experience, you understand that even though 10 trades meet your criteria, now you can have a better understanding of which ones you're going to take. So that's category number 1. Category number 2 is just random trades that you're taking because you want to be in the trade and you want to just place the trade. So you got those 2 categories, and that's where we're going to lead into the 5 reasons that you may be over trading. So reason number 1. The first reason is that you enjoy trading, and that's where even if the trade does not meet your criteria, you're going to take it because you enjoy trading. You enjoy being engaged with the market. You enjoy the fact that your focus and your attention has to be pulled in towards the market, and that gives you a level of almost entertainment. You see the P&L, you see the stocks going up, down, you see the tickers moving, red, green, whatever's on your screen, and that type of attention, that type of engagement is that you enjoy it. And there's nothing wrong with enjoying trading. Love trading and doing what you love. That's actually very, very helpful because trading is very, very stressful because you're dealing with money. So you have to kind of also learn how to be happy in the midst of having to risk your own money to try and make a profit. But the enjoyment, the joy of trading may make you overtrade, and that's what we're going to talk about. So be very careful that I know that you love trading, you enjoy trading, but you don't use that to hinder you as a disadvantage. So reason number 2, because you enjoy trading so much, you could be addicted to trading, addicted to the highs and lows, addicted to that adrenaline rush, seeking that adrenaline rush, seeking the big swings in your account, and that engages you. That gives you a certain emotions, that gives you certain kind of attention, right? There's a lot of deeper meaning into that comes with trading and the decisions we make while we trade. This is something that's very, very personal. A lot of people are addicted to trading. I was addicted to trading, and I would place trades that meet my criteria and place trades that don't meet my criteria, and then just place a lot of trades. Over trading can look like if a person's supposed to just place 5 trades, let's say, now you're placing like 30 trades, 50 trades. If you're a trader, that scalps and maybe trading 50 times now, it's 200, 300. It could be anything. The amount of trades that you're placing compared to what you're supposed to do in a normal day or the normal trading execution of your trading plan is way off. So if your trading plan or the way you would normally trade allows for 5 trades or 10 trades in a day, then you're placing 20, 30, 40 trades. There's something there. You really got to pay close attention on why you're placing so many trades. I'm going to give you a few more reasons that may lead to that. So all these 5 reasons can be kind of looped in. There's no one that stands out, because once you start trading, you'll start understanding it's a personal journey on certain things, and you have to have more self-awareness on why you're doing these decisions. So be very, very careful that you're not addicted to trading and you're confusing it that you enjoy trading, that you're learning. Be very, very careful. The third one, this one is also kind of interacts with addicted to trading. Number 3, for conversation. You're trading for conversation. You're trading because you want to say, hey, I was in that trade. You're trading to talk about trading. You're trading to have something to say that you did that day with the stock market. So you enjoy the engagement, you enjoy the activity of trading, and you want to have a conversation about it. Oh, look at this ticker. Yeah, I saw that ticker. Oh, I saw that ticker. Yeah, I was in that trade. Oh, I shorted it. Oh, I did this. Oh, I did that. And it becomes, once again, a level of importance that you have because you did see that you were part of that, you were part of that action, you were not left out, and now it becomes a conversation that you're having with other traders or in chat rooms, or even, you know, for personal reasons. You kind of like that. You like the fact that you were in that trade for conversation. And this is, once again, very, very dangerous, because you're only supposed to place trades when they meet your criteria. That's it. So this over trading stuff and these examples that I'm giving you, they go a little deeper, and I'll probably make some more videos on going a little bit deeper about these reasons that you're over trading. So don't trade just because you want to have something to say for conversations for other traders and to be engaged. Don't do that, okay? This leads to number 4. You don't want to miss on the trade. You don't want to miss the trade. That also leads to the reason of conversation, addiction, the joy. Because you don't want to miss the trade, you're going to enter the trade maybe a lot of times that it doesn't meet your criteria. Be very, very careful with this type of activity, because you only want to place trades that meet your criteria. Intraday trading especially, intraday trading will get you very addicted, because you're looking at all these moves and you may feel like you're missing out, right? And the random rewards, the engagement, the attention, the market's pulling you in, and you don't want to miss out that, once again, for the conversation, hey, did you go long Netflix? And you're like, no. And someone tells you, oh, wow, you didn't see what move it made today? Look, it went up 15, 20 points. And now you kind of feel a certain way that you didn't place the trade, or that you weren't looking at, oh, did I do something wrong? What was I not focused? What happened? You know, you may start feeling a little bit insecure about your trading process because you missed a trade. That's not the way it works. The way it works is that you place trades when it meets your criteria, not just mechanically, but personally. If you don't have that much focus that day, if you're busy doing something else, then if you missed a trade, that's perfectly fine. Don't feel the pressure because someone else was in that trade that you have to be in that trade or place the trade, once again, for conversation, to kind of fuel the addiction, for the joy. So be very, very careful. All these kind of line up. Be very careful, because it hinders your trading performance. Let's go with number 5. You enjoy being right. And that's another thing. It's a challenge. It's you're competitive. You want to be right. So you see a stock going up, for example, the Netflix. You get into the trade, even though it doesn't meet your criteria, because you want to see if you can get those moves. You want to prove that you can, kind of pick apart the stock. You can do all these things, and it's like almost a self-evaluation, a self-confirmation. A lot of insecurities that you may have with trading that come out while you're trading. These are the reasons that you may be over trading, to kind of put a more focus on activity and not so much focus on self-awareness on why you're making these decisions. So wanting to be right, that competitive nature is very, very destructive in the stock market. And the reason it's so destructive is because you do not control the outcome. It's, the market has to do its part. There's a reason why you say let your money work. So when you place your trade, you measure your risk and you're into the trade, your job as a trader is done. Now it's the market's job to give you the results, and the results will be a profitable trade or a losing trade. And that's where you have to understand to let the market do its job. So being very competitive, wanting to be right, wanting to be in this stock and that stock, and I don't want to miss Netflix, I don't want to miss Apple going high, I don't want to miss the market, I don't want to miss this. That competitiveness, you'll see sometimes you'll place 10, 15 trades or 30 trades or however many amount of trades you weren't supposed to place. You over traded that day, and if you just placed one trade or 2 trades, you would have made more money than all those 15, 20, 30 trades combined. So be very, very, very careful with intraday trading and over trading, to kind of put all these issues that you may have because you're bored, because you're looking for conversation, you may be addicted, you don't want to miss out, all these things, put them on the forefront and make sure you're only trading for one reason, and that's to grow your account. With that said, hope this video helped out anybody as they may be struggling with over trading. Only trade when it meets your criteria, and only trade to grow your account. And there is no right way or wrong way to trade. If you place one trade a week and that's your process, that's your criteria, that's how much time you have to dedicate to trading, that's perfectly fine. If you place 5 trades a month, whatever it is, 2 trades a quarter, whatever it is, there's no competition on how you trade. There are so many traders that have so many different styles. Only trade Wednesdays, only trade a certain amount of times, only trade a certain stock. There are traders that only trade 1 stock. There are certain traders that only trade 3 stocks. So there's no wrong way. The best way is what suits you as a trader and the style that helps you perform to your best mechanically, mentally, as a person. All right? So hopefully these reasons kind of give you aware of why you may be over trading and some of the reasons that you need to kind of be aware of. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon.